Okay, now if you look here, remember this little fellow here? So that's the flap here, you lift it, put this in from the bottom, and there you go, it snaps in just like that. Plug this guy back in. Actually, put the wire here first. There we go. And last screw here. This wire's taped on the side here. Okay, hard drive. So first thing you want to do is hook this back up. Make sure your flap's open. There we go. This will drop into place. There it is. Got your little plug here. Plug that back in. It's starting to look like it's put together now. Just want to take a quick look, make sure you got everything. Looks like it. This guy, from the front end, you got these hooks here. You just kind of go right in. This right back. This should go fairly easy. If not, there's not. Here you go. Just tucks it under here. There you go. Should be no resistance. So you remember that small screw here? That's the one in the corner. And just the big ones. Maybe pan into my wife there while I do this. That's pretty boring. Yeah. Maybe not.
Where's the hard drive?
Yeah, it's coming in.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, last but not least, the hard drive. That's this again, the reversal. Here, so where's this shit? It's down. So slide that in. Slide it forward. That opens up the screw. Screw that in. So your PS3 is basically fixed now, believe it or not. Last thing, cover. Where is it? There it is. So slides in like so. Then your last screw. This one's always fun to put back in. I use one of these jewelry screwdrivers. I'll show you why. It actually holds it. As you can see. Oh, there you go. So that holds it from. So don't stop filming, just go and show them, plug it in. So there you go. Plug it in. Actually, we'll put the TV on and we'll put it on at the same time. There we go. Power on. You want to grab the camera? Well, you have it. There's an HDMI. And let's try it out. There you have it. Little light of death fixed. And the CD that caused the problem in the first place. Prenatal yoga.